Happy Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Angelica Campos with your forecast today. Once again, tracking the chance for showers in San Diego. And you can see most of the moisture to our south, but that is going to be advancing across the county as we go through the morning hours. So we'll see showers across the area, most likely best chances until at least 10 a.m. But we could see a few leftover showers into the afternoon as well. And then we shift gears and talk about wind. The winds will get strong out of the west to start, and then they will be turning out of the east. So we're going to see gusty winds Wednesday night all the way through Thursday afternoon for the mountains up to the deserts. Of course, different advisories here. The winds will be strongest over the mountains than the deserts, but still some damaging winds can be expected across the county. And then as far as the rain this morning, we could see up to close to 1/4 of an inch, but most likely 1/10 of an inch across the county, with some spots getting very little accumulations, kind of like Oceanside, but that's okay. We've seen plenty of rain so far. As we go throughout the day, mostly cloudy, temperatures in the low 60s for coastal communities, inland valleys, cloudy as well into the afternoon with that chance for showers, best chance in the morning. And then as we head into Thursday, we may see a few leftover showers for the mountain communities, kind of like in the backside of the storm, but really not expecting much out of that. Anything left over, it is going to be minimum for our mountain communities. Other than that, everyone should be drier tomorrow. The winds, like I said, will get stronger tonight. Look at those numbers, gusting up to 30 miles per hour. But then we get into Thursday morning, and some of that wind will also be impacting coastal communities, gusting as high as 25 miles an hour. So there's that low coming in today, another one passing through on Thursday. Then high pressure settles in for the weekend, and that is going to bring warmer and drier conditions for Saturday and Sunday. This afternoon will be in the low 60s across the coast, inland valleys. Looking nice and cool today with low 60s in Escondido, 58 for Ramona, with that chance of showers. Better potential for the morning, but we may have a few leftover passing showers here and there into the afternoon. The bulk of it will be for the early part of the day, though. Near the coast, to low 60s, breezy into Thursday morning. Friday, 65 degrees. Mild weekend with winds out of the east, keeping us dry, and even warmer next week with temperatures set to peak close to 80 degrees or higher on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Also expecting similar conditions for our desert communities. And over the mountains, we could see temperatures close to 70 degrees. But for the next couple of days, it'll be in the 40s. The potential for damaging winds tomorrow, and still gusty at times on Friday, with those easterly winds set to set in Saturday and Sunday. Be safe.